Welcome YouTube, it's Jones for Stocks. Robinhood just had its Q3 earnings and its stock fell over 10% as it missed its estimated revenue by $70 million. And taking a look at their earnings presentation, the company announced that they are looking into building retirement accounts for its users, but currently there is no information on how or when the company would implement this. And while the total cumulative funded amounts stayed flat since the last quarter, the company had its first decrease in monthly active users. It even had a dip in its assets under custody by its users. And along with its total revenue decline, the average revenue per user has seen a 50% decrease since the last quarter. And a main source of this cut is its transaction-based revenue has fallen since its last quarter. With the breakdown of the transaction-based revenue, it shows a spike of its cryptocurrency in Q2 of 2021. This can be directly correlated to its addition of Dogecoin on the platform. However, in order for the company to regain its cryptocurrency revenue that it lost, it must add another highly requested cryptocurrency, such as Shiba Inu, which has had a massive surge over the past year. Shiba Inu has gained more than 7 million% in the last 15 months, and it was even able to briefly beat out Dogecoin by market cap value late October in its last run-up. With Shiba Inu's recent surge to record highs, there was a petition created on change.org that currently has over 400,000 signatures to get the coin added to Robinhood. There are rumored articles for the coin to be listed on the platform 1 November, however the company has not confirmed the listing. These rumors are flamed due to a recent survey Robinhood used and added Shiba Inu as a choice for users to identify which coins the users were purchasing. Currently, price analysts have a target of Robinhood at $49 with a low of $26 and a high of $68. But where do you see the future price of Robinhood? And do you think they'll add Shiba Inu to the platform? Let me know down below. And before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and if you have any stocks or crypto I should look at, let me know in the comments.